Hello guys, in this video let's study different scenarios and decide number of throughput units and partitions we need. Here we may repeat few of the things which we discussed in our previous video, but then that is required. Now most important thing, one throughput unit, it means it can accept 1 MB of data per second or 1000 events per second, and it can egress or it can output 2 MB of data per second or 4096 events per second. Now we select number of throughput units while creating namespace. So for example, we are in Azure portal, and while creating namespace we can specify the throughput units. So for example, I can increase this. And we select number of partitions when we are creating event hub. So again, we are in this namespace, and when we are creating event hub, see guys, we can specify the partition count, and again I can increase this. Now as a general rule, we should have number of partitions equal to or greater than number of TUs, and one partition it can handle one TU. I know guys, this is a bit confusing, so let's try to understand it with examples. Now imagine we have 5 customers, and each customer has 1000 devices, and each device it sends one event per second, and size of each event is 1 KB. So in this case, total ingress data per second is 5000 KB or 5 MB. So we will need minimum 5 TUs in this case, and number of partitions should be greater than or equal to 5, that is 6 or 7 or 8 or more. Now let's try to understand another example. So imagine we have total 20 TUs for a namespace, and we have 4 event hubs and each with 6 partitions. So total number of partitions we have is 24, which is greater than 20, right? So here our application can handle maximum ingress of 20 MB or 20K, that is 20,000 events per second, and here we are utilizing the maximum capacity of all the TUs. Now let's try to understand another example. So imagine we have 5 TUs for a namespace, and we have 2 event hubs and each with 2 partitions. So here our app can handle maximum ingress of 4 MB or 4000 events per second only, that is 2 into 2, and here we are not utilizing the maximum capacity of all the TUs.